Welcome to FaxLab AI video series. Video 5 Notion AI. If your team already use Notion, this video will completely transform how you use it. If you are new to Notion, I will show you why it's the workshop workspace tool for AI powered productivity. Today, summarizing meeting notes in one clicking, building project plans from a sentences, and querying your entire knowledge base with AI. Let's dive in. Let's start by activating Notion AI. Open any page in your Notion workspace. Simply press the spacebar anywhere on the page. This prompt is your AI command center. Just type a request in natural language and Notion AI help you write, summarize, brainstorm or organize your work. You can ask it to generate content, improve your writing, create action items, answer questions about your notes, and much more. You can also access Notion AI by typing a forward slash and selecting AI from the menu. This gives you quick access to AI powered actions whenever you need them. Whether you use the spacebar shortcut or the slash command, Notion AI is always just one step away, ready to help you work faster and smarter. Now let's see one of Notion AI's biggest time-saving features, summarizing meeting notes. Here we have over 800 words of unstructured note from a 2-hour leadership meeting. Instead of reading everything manually, we will let Notion AI organize the information for us. Press the spacebar to open the AI prompt. Within just a few seconds, Notion AI analyzes the entire page and produce a clean structured summary. First, we get the key decision. 5 concise bullet points highlighting the most important outcomes of the meeting. Next, Notion AI creates an action item list, assigning each task to the appropriate team member whenever that information is available. Finally, it identifies open questions that still need discussion, making it easy to prepare for the next meeting. What could take 10 or 15 minutes to organize manually is completed in just a few seconds, giving your team clear meeting outcomes, responsibilities, and next steps. Click insert below and the AI generated summary is added directly beneath your original meeting notes. Now it's ready to share with your team instantly. No copying, formatting, or manual editing required. What once took 20 minutes of manual summarizing now take just 4 seconds with Notion AI. Ne- next, next, let's see how Notion AI can build an entire project plan from a single sentence. Instead of spending hours creating task timeline and milestones manually, we will let AI do the heavy lifting. Press the space bar to open the AI prompt. Create a detailed project plan for launching a new corporate website. Include page, task, honors, and a 12-week timeline. Notion AI immediately start building a complete project plan based on this single instruction. In a few seconds, we have a comprehensive 12-week project plan with six project phases, 28 detailed tasks, honor assignments for each department, and a clear week by week timeline. Everything is organized into local phases from planning and design to development, testing, and final launch. Each task is assigned to the appropriate team, making it easy for marketing, IT, design, and management to understand their responsibilities. This is the kind of document that could take a project manager three, 3 to 4 hours to create manually. Notion AI generated it in about 8 seconds. Click Insert below to add the generated project plan directly to the Notion page. Now let's convert this plan into a Notion dashboard database. With one conversation, every task becomes a trackable database item. You can assign real team members, update task status, add due dates, and monitor progress throughout the project. In just minutes, you have gone from a blank page to a fully functional AI generated project tracker that's ready for your entire team to us. Today you have seen how Notion AI can summarize lengthy meeting notes, generate complete project plans from a single prompt, and answer questions across your entire workspace. Instead of spending hours organizing information, planning projects, or searching through documents, Notion AI helps you get the job done in seconds. Notion AI transforms your workspace into an intelligent knowledge engage engine. At the time of recording, the plus plan with the AI add-on starts at approximately $22 per user per month. You can start with the free plan, explore the AI features, and upgrade whenever you are ready. Thank you for watching. Start your free Notion AI journey at notion.so, and I will see you in video 6.